bike's stationary, there's some oil on the floor. So I take the fairing off and you see that there appears to be an oil leak in the area of the oil pickup pipe that goes to the oil cooler. But on closer inspection, we can see that the oil is coming from further up, and it comes from the oil pressure switch. It's dripping out of that switch, running down onto this pickup pipe, dripping off the bottom of the engine, giving rise to the fact that you think, oh, it's coming from that pipe. But it's not, it's coming from the oil pressure switch. And incredibly, the other day, the oil level was up at the normal level, up near the top of that glass. So quite a lot of oil. I've only run it for a short period of time. Look, you can see it dripping off. So I'm going to show you how to replace that switch. Oil pressure switch replacement. Just pull the wire off. Now the wire just pulls off on this particular one, and then move that out of the way, and then we get a socket that fits the switch, and then undo it. Oil should not come out. You might get a little tiny dribble, but oil won't pour out because it's only fed under pressure when the engine's running. So you get the socket, it's 24mm. Put it over and then undo it. Ugh. Once it's undone, all you do is just unscrew it in the normal fashion. Don't worry, there may be a little bit of oil will come out, but it won't be gallons of oil. Yeah, you can see, look, oil's pouring out now. There is a little bit more actually than what I thought, to be honest. Just make sure you've got something there to catch it. There's the switch. This particular one's been leaking, so obviously be replaced. So we get the replacement switch. Make sure that the seal is in position on the new switch, and then we'll fit it into the block. And then obviously we've got to clean the area that's been contaminated, so we can then check once the engine's running that it is an effective repair, and just to make sure that nothing else is leaking as well as, you know, just give it a good clean up. Here is the new switch. As you can see, seal on the back already fitted. Nice new switch, the correct type for the bike that I've got. So now all we've got to do is clean up the area where it goes and fit it. Area suitably cleaned up. Made sure there's absolutely no spillage of any type. And now ready to fit the new part. So 24mm socket. Here we come. In goes the new switch. Start it off gently by hand before you put the socket on it, just in case there's any issues with the thread. Do it up nice and tight. To crush that seal down. Refit the wire to the end. Just gently, pair of pliers just to guide it on, and then top it up with oil and then run it. And now, start it up. The oil light's gone out. Doesn't appear to be any leak. Engine is as quiet as it comes. What a beautiful sounding engine this is. It's so quiet. No noise.